Hey there, curious minds, welcome back to Infinite Languages. Today we are going to explore the past continuous tense in all its glory. In today's video, we are going to understand what is it exactly, its structure, its usage and more. Stick around till the end because we have got a fun-filled worksheet and the bonus tip at the end of this video. So, let's get started. First things first, what is past continuous tense? It's used to describe actions that were ongoing or in progress at a specific moment in past. For example, he was playing in the garden. She was dancing on the stage. It is also used to provide context to actions or events that were happening in the past, especially when another event interrupted or occurred simultaneously. For instance, while I was cooking dinner, it started raining. He was reading a book while waiting for the bus. Let's understand its structure. It is formed by combining the past tense of the verb to be, was, were, with the base form of the main verb and adding the ing suffix to it. For example, subject plus was were plus verb plus ing plus object. However, different kind of sentences such as positive, negative and interrogative will be having slightly different structure. Let's understand it thoroughly. Positive sentences in past continuous tense follow this structure. Subject plus was were plus verb plus ing plus object. Look at the following examples. I was watching a movie. She was dancing at the party. They were playing basketball. To form the negative sentences in the past continuous tense, use the following structure. Subject plus was not or were not plus verb plus ing plus object. Look at the following examples. I was not studying last night. He was not listening to music. They were not eating pizza. Interrogative sentences are formed by inverting the subject and the auxiliary verb. For example, was or were plus subject plus verb plus ing plus object plus question mark at the end. Look at the following examples. Were you studying yesterday? Was she singing a song? Were they traveling last weekend? Now, let's talk about its usage. The past continuous tense is used in the following situations, such as to describe actions that were in progress at a specific time in the past. For example, I was cooking dinner at 7 yesterday. We also use past continuous tense when we want to emphasize the duration or temporary nature of an action. For example, he was working hard all day. Or when we want to talk about two actions happening simultaneously in the past. For example, when she was doing her homework, he was eating ice cream. Now it's time for some practice. Here is a fun-filled worksheet for you. I encourage you to try solving the worksheet and leave your answer in the comment section below or the email ID mentioned on the screen. We will provide feedback and you can assess your understanding of the past continuous tense. Now it's time for the bonus tip. How to distinguish between simple past tense and past continuous tense. So please keep in mind, while simple past focuses on completed actions, past continuous emphasizes actions in progress. For instance, mother cooked dinner is a sentence of simple past tense and mother was cooking dinner is a sentence of past continuous tense. That's all for today's lesson on the past continuous tense. I hope you found this video helpful. Do remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more grammar lessons and exercises. Thanks for joining us today and I'll see you in the next video. Happy learning. Bye-bye.